Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today's look was a recreation that I seen online. I was kind of scared to do this look because I really do not do color, but I decided to go ahead and challenge myself, and I think I did pretty good. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, please just keep on watching. But before you do that, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I upload. My new upload days will be every Tuesday and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's get into this look. So as always guys, I'm starting with a prime lid, and I'm going to take that really light blue shade and I'm going to put that in my crease. So for today's palette, I am using the Morphe 35B palette, and this is the only palette that I will use for this whole entire look. I actually saw this look, I want to say I saw it on Facebook, and I decided to recreate it since I normally do not play with colors. I'm not very confident with putting colors on my face, but I decided to try it, and I think the look came out pretty good. I will try to get more into doing very colorful looks instead of the natural nude looks that I normally do. Now I'm gonna take that dark blue shade at the top, and I'm gonna concentrate that on the outside of my crease just to darken it up just a tad bit. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe 332 brush. So now I'm going to take my MAC Pro Long paint pot in the color Painterly, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease out. And I'm just taking a flat F brush, and that's what I'm going to use to cut my crease. So now that it's cut to my liking, I'm going to go back into my palette, and I'm going to take that light blue shade, and I'm going to concentrate it back on where I cut my crease at, just to put that line back in it that I may have took out once I was cutting my crease. Now I'm going to take that hot pink shade, and it's like a dark purplish looking color, and I'm going to concentrate that on the outside of my crease. Now I'm going to take that orange looking shade right there. I'm going to take that orange color and I'm going to put that in the center of my eyelids. And I'm using the Morphe M204 brush. And I'm just going to pat that on my lid. And this is actually my first time using this palette. I'm not for sure how long I've had it, but this is I had it for years, I know, and this is my first time using this palette. So around this time, my camera did cut off and I did not know. So I'm back with the final look. So what I did do, it was a really yellow shade and a shimmer shade, and I put that in the inner corner of my eyelid. I did my liner and my lashes off camera. So I'm taking my Fenty Beauty, I forgot what it's called, but yeah. So this is what I use. I use this rose water and this moisturizing cream. This is what I use on my face before I do my makeup, or even when I'm not wearing makeup. This is what I put on my face. This is an everyday thing. You have to keep your face hydrated. So now I'm taking my unicorn oil and I'm putting that on my face. I actually should have put that on before I put my primer. I did that kind of backwards. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, my Fenty Beauty primer and my unicorn oil. I'm gonna put that all over my face. So for foundation today, I'm gonna use my Dipbrow foundation, and I am in the color Rich Caramel, and I actually need to go get some more because I'm almost out. But this is one of my favorite foundations, and I'm going to take that on my Fenty Beauty sponge, and I'm going to pat that all over my face. Okay, so now I'm going to take my ColourPop concealer, and I am in the color medium, and I'm going to highlight my face with that. And I'm using a damp Real Technique sponge. Okay, now I'm going to take my Born This Way concealer in medium. Let me just add a little bit more to my highlight. I normally do not put highlight on my forehead. I just take whatever's left over from my beauty blender, and that's how I highlight my forehead. So I'm going to take my Kat Von D setting powder, and it's in the color translucent, and I'm going to set everywhere that I highlighted. And I am taking that on a Real Technique contour brush. So now I'm taking my contour palette in the color light to medium, and I'm going to use those two colors, the contour and the sculpt, to contour my face. and for some reason I did not set my face before I contoured, and you would see in the next clip that I'm actually going back to set my face after I contoured. So now I'm gonna take that sculpt color on my Angle Real Technique brush, and I'm going to contour my nose. Now I'm going back in and contour my face, and I'm using my mineralized skin finish color, and I am in the dark, and I'm taking that on my Morphe 400 brush. For some reason I was just doing everything backwards. I have no idea what was going on this day. So now I'm taking that same contour brush. I didn't put anything on the brush. I'm just going back over my contour if I, erased a little bit when I was setting my face with the powder. So now time for blush, and I'm taking my MAC Amarin Rose, and I'm taking that on a Morphe M106 brush. For highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlight in Trophy Wife, and I am taking that on a setting brush, a Real Technique brush. So now I'm going back in my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking that green color, and I'm just going to line my waterline with it. Now I'm taking my Benefits Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I'm coating my bottom lashes. So for my lips today, I'm taking, it's a drugstore lipstick. It's in color Blissful. And I'm also taking my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And I'm going to use that as a top coat. And I honestly didn't like the way it turned out just by itself. So now I'm going back in with my MAC lip liner in the color Court. And I'm just lining my lips. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.